you, Alice. What's your name?
My name is Alice.
Very good. How do you feel, Alice? How do you feel? And Alice, how old are you?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 years old.
Swing, swing, swing your arms, dance everyone. I'm so happy, oh so happy.
Froggy is going to introduce himself. Hello, my name is Froggy. I feel happy and I am 5 years old. 5 years old. For you, what's your name?
My name is Raphael.
Very good. How do you feel, Raphael? How do you feel? What is it?
Happy.
Yes. And how old are you?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 years old.